Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change YouTube channel name. It's super easy process to change your YouTube channel name. Just follow these easy steps. Open your YouTube and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. And now click on your profile and click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in your YouTube Studio dashboard, here scroll down and click on Customization and select Basic Info. Under Basic Info section, you will get your channel name. All you have to need just write here your new channel name. And you can also change your YouTube channel handle or username here. If the handle available, you will see here this green check mark. Now just click on publish, and as you can see my current channel name is this one, so I'm going to publishing these settings. And as you can see, my channel name has been successfully updated. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.